In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an assessment in Tally. So, to get started, head over to Tally.so and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, click Create Form to begin building your assessment. At this point, you can either start with a blank form if you want full control, or choose a template if you'd like a faster setup and a structure to build from. Before you start adding questions, take a moment to define the purpose of your assessment. Be clear about what you want to assess, who the assessment is for, and how you want the results to be evaluated. You should also decide whether you want to include scoring, feedback, or recommendations at the end. This planning step makes the rest of the setup much easier and helps ensure the form is actually useful. Assessments can be used for skills checks, knowledge tests, client evaluations, readiness reviews, or self-assessment questionnaires. Next, begin adding your assessment questions. Tally gives you several field types to work with, including multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down lists, short answer, long text, rating scales, and number fields. Choose the format that best matches the kind of response you want to collect. Add as many questions as necessary to properly evaluate the participant, but try to keep each question clear and focused. As your assessment grows, organize it into sections using headings, dividers, and page breaks. This is especially helpful for longer forms because it keeps the experience easier to follow and less overwhelming for the person taking it. If your assessment needs scoring, open the settings and enable quiz mode, then assign correct answers wherever applicable. This allows Tally to automatically calculate scores for quiz-style assessments, which can save time and reduce manual work. You can also add conditional logic to make the assessment feel more personalized. For example, you might show advanced questions only when someone selects an experienced option, display industry-specific questions based on a previous response, or reveal follow-up questions only when certain answers are chosen. This keeps the form relevant and more engaging. After that, create your assessment outcomes. Depending on your goal, you can display scores, show personalized feedback, recommend resources, provide next steps, or direct people to different result pages. Conditional logic can also be used here to tailor outcomes based on answers or score ranges. Then customize the thank you page, use it to thank participants, explain what happens next, and include any helpful resources or follow-up links. If needed, connect integrations like Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, Slack, Zapier,